Mm-hmm. There we go.
Oh, how'd you get that
I
blood?
got a little boo-boo.
When?
I got pinched
By what?
by these spindles. Alright, 2 left. Alright.
Huh? I knew it. Oh, wrong.
Atta boy.
Oh.
That's it. Oh, you slipped down at the bottom.
Oh. Dad.
There you go.
Oh. It's like your thumb, isn't it? Oh, it has a hot hand.
That's alright. Ready? Watch your fingers.
You got it.
Yeah, but this one slipped out now. There we go. Alright, one more.
Got it.
You want to finish it up? Atta boy.
Now you're gonna screw them in.
That's right. Nice job.